Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2021 Toyota 4Runner with some great exterior features that include a basket style roof rack, Fender Flares, a hood deflector along with an LED light bar and a winch. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, you've got black cloth interior. This 4Runner also comes equipped with power seat adjustments and all-weather floor mats. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio and phone controls. On the right you've got Toyota Safety Sense and your cruise at the bottom. This 4Runner has 26,000 kilometers. Over in the middle on your touchscreen you have your AM/FM radio, Bluetooth phone connection along with some vehicle information and a backup camera. Right below that, you have your climate controls. Down at the bottom, we have a couple of outlets here, along with some storage shelves. And behind our gear shifter, you have this switch here, which is for your power sliding rear window. The rear seats come with two fold-out cup holders, along with two outlets at the back of the center console and storage pouches in each of the seat backs. The back of this 4Runner comes with a ton of storage space. We also have a sliding cargo tray. On the right side here, we also have two extra outlets and a storage compartment. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2021 Toyota 4Runner with some great interior features that include all-weather floor mats and a sliding cargo tray. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.